Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our channel Technoverse. Guys, hope you are doing great. So guys, today's video we are again talking about a Higgs field and AI project. Guys, AI video is about to level up in a big way. There is a lot of buzz right now about Clean 3.0. And now guys, and even half of these expectations are true. This could be serious change how creators make videos with AI. So guys, today we are talking about what's not as so far, what community is expecting, and why Kling 3.0 might be one of the biggest upgrades in AI video generation. So guys, all these since will be discussed in my video, please subscribe to our channel, put the bell icon and to get the notification from our video. Now guys, we have to move forward to the websites and begins our review. And before that guys, again, this video is only made for educational purpose. We are not the financial advisor, so always do your own research first and then invest. Now guys, we are on the website of the Higgs. We have a quick background. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing AI platform right now. There is whole goal is to make AI video creations more creative friendly, users to control closer to real production quality. And now they are preparing for coming soon launch 3.0, which is a next major version of the video model. So guys, again, we have to tell you guys, these signals are based on public signals, community discussions and expectations, not fully confirmed spaces yet. So this is pre-release coverage, not a final feature review. So guys, first of all, if we discuss about again Higgs field, that is, we have seen there is a lot of already preparing for Kling 3.0 access and the platform focus on AI video creation. So they are clearly positioning AI like Kling 3.0. You can check out their the vision is coming soon. So their major leap is not just small update. You can check out the all things in their sections. So guys, first of all, if we talk about what people are expecting from Kling 3.0, first of all, you can guys check out the next generation video quality, the higher quality before the Kling 2.6, like one of biggest theme is cleaner realism and smoother version. With older model, some things motions break or looks worried complex since Kling 3.0 is expecting to improve. Short to short consistency, more stable creators, less visuals glitches. So video could be look more production ready, not just experimentals. So guys, in a second we will talk about like a more unified workflow, how it will be given to us. So guys, first of all, like another industry director is something called Kling 3.0 or Mini. Like if you talk about better consistency between sentences, better guys connectivity, like smart AI decision across a sequence. So instead of generation random clips, it feels more like building an actual radio productions. So guys, how people are thinking about and what they are expecting from Kling 3.0. So guys, we'll talk about in details now. First of all, guys, you can check out the people are expecting a higher quality, like possibilities around 4K, up to 4K. But before that, guys, this is only expectation from Kling 3.0 AI video that is on user discussion analysis. Guys, you can check out the Kling 3.0 has not been released yet. So current signals is suggested it make a next generation step forward to a professional AI video generation. Kling 3.0 expected to evolve into a production ready video system that brings generation transforms and consistency in a unified workflow. So guys, first of all, if we talk about what people are expecting from them, like first of all, a lot of discussion is about higher end output with attack 4K videos at 60 FPS right now. Many those are limited to 180 pixel. So this would be a big step toward professional level of result. So guys, and also guys, they are a longer clips with a stability. Also changing, like another expectation is a longer clip length, maybe around 15 seconds. Before that, we are created video on 10 seconds, but now their expectations is around 15 seconds while keeping characters and scenes a consistency that important because longer AI clips usually mean more chances for things to break. And also guys, more details in close-ups, like if we close up to the eye, human eye, that will be a more realistic video. This is huge improvement on object handling and human interactions. Things like hand touching objectives, hugs, or movement with contact often break in AI. Video Clean 3.0 expected to reduce those overhead melt or glitch movements as well. So that is one of the biggest change that is people expecting from Clean 3.0. So guys, if we talk about what Clean 2.6 that have sorry, what Clean 2.6 Clean 3.0 have and 2.6 not have right now. I think 2.6 can do up to around 10 seconds clips usually are capped at 180 pixels. Look like great, but motion consistency can be break in complex sentence. But guys, Kling 3.0 that I already told that they have a longer clips around 15 seconds. And also guys, they have higher resolutions, better stability, more control. And guys, that is feels like a major generation jump to everyone. So guys, if these expressions are even partly true, creators that make more cinematic videos spend less time fixing broke motions and get closer to a real guys production quality. Also guys, you can check out their social medias as well. Like if we talk about on X, these are X guys expectations like signals are on the X channel. You can check out people are guys also commenting many things are discussing in the comment section. You can check out their pre-post as well. Clean 3.0 is coming soon. So also guys, if we talk about the narratives, these are expectations from a community instead of pretending everything as facts. So guys, you can check out their post on Reddit as well. Like many peoples are now very active and waiting for the Clean 3.0 to be launched officially. So guys, that is our short review about uh, guys Clean 3.0. That is pre-release review. The guys actual the event is not launched yet. So Clean 3.0 have hasn't officially launched yet, but the hype is clearly building. This could be one of the most important update in AI video tools yet. So if you want to be among the first, check it out. When it goes live, I will put access links in the description, and also guys, I will do the new video about Flink 3.0 officially launched and how it works. We'll talk about guys in depth as well. So guys, let me know in the comments what features you are most excited about and high quality longer clips and better realism. So guys, let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.